Hello and aloha. Today we're unboxing an Echo Dot from Amazon. I wanted to add a stereo to my Fire TV in my office, so I got another one. I also like how it has arrow built inside, so you get a little better Wi-Fi coverage when you have these everywhere. Not a bad speaker to complement like a small TV setup. So you got the dot, 4 buttons on the top, volume, the Alexa button, and the mute. You got the power adapter, 15 watts, tied in, pull out the cord, wham. And then you got like a quick start in the box with a little diagram on how to set it up. Hello in a few languages, a bunch of gibberish. So yeah, that's pretty much the dot. Kind of like a baseball.